This video covers general installation of the Thunderbolt anti-theft deadbolt system on work vans. Right away, you'll notice that the locking device comes out of the box already assembled. The first step is to install the brackets to the case with the included hardware. Next, you'll use the self-tapping screws to position and secure the case to the door's interior. Then, locate the ideal spot for the manual release and drill a hole for its installation. Following this, you remove the lever and nut from the end of the release cable. Guide the cable through the opening and then lock it into place by securing the nut onto the threads, followed by the lever. Once this is done, measure, mark, and drill a hole for the deadbolt housing. You can then release the deadbolt by loosening the set screws and unscrewing the housing from the flex cable's end fitting. This will enable you to secure the housing to the door. But before that, you'll need to feed the flex cable from the inside of the door. Tighten the housing back onto the cable's end fitting and adjust the deadbolt by sliding it back onto the braided cable, now inside the housing. Then, make sure to adjust the deadbolt with the set screws, ensuring that it clears the door. Place a dab of the included marking gum at the end of the deadbolt, and then engage the lock by pushing the manual release lever. This will show you the exact spot to drill for the striking plate. Now simply secure the striking plate with the mounting bolts. The same general installation procedure for the rear door will hold true of the side door. Once both locks have been installed, they need to be properly wired to the vehicle's existing remote locking system. This makes it easy to enter and exit your truck with the push of a button. Finally, attach the Thunderbolt emblem to the outside of the door, putting potential thieves on notice that your vehicle is protected by Thunderbolt anti-theft deadbolts. For additional guidance, please refer to our website where you'll find tips on installing the Thunderbolt system in your specific vehicle. Thunderbolt locks. Protect your work truck, tools, and cargo.